is a really big batch. I'm probably gonna make a mess. All right, you guys, when you start making your own homemade salad dressings, I promise you, you will never go back to those store-bought dressings. Today, we're making my husband's favorite, fresh basil vinaigrette, trying to get some brownie points from all that shopping I did yesterday. I like to use these nice big wide mouth jars with the measurements on the side because you can measure everything right in the jar. Makes for fast and easy cleanup. Today, I'm making a double batch because I got lots of family coming into town and I know it'll go fast. You can store this dressing, your homemade dressings, in the refrigerator for like 4 or 5 weeks if they last that long before your family yums it all up. Good luck with that. All right, 2 cups of avocado oil or organic olive oil, 1 cup of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 6 tablespoons of organic raw honey, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, 1/2 cup of fresh basil, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a little pepper to taste. Amazing. I love this thing. Use it every day. Get the coupon for 20% off at Bed Bath & Beyond. And super easy cleanup. Just stick this in hot water with a little bit of soap and turn it back on. And then, yeah, your dressing. Get those nice hard plastic lids. You can get those at Ace Hardware or probably online. And right there, store it in the jar, mix it in the jar, measure it in the jar. Yummy salads for days. Shoot me a like and I'll post you the recipe in the comments.